Hi, Paul from VIEZU here. I think what's one of the things that's unique about us is we pretty much sell all tools and software on the market, and we also train and demonstrate all tools on the market. So a lot of people in the industry kind of align themselves with one or two different tuning tools, and of course if they've got that tool in stock, that's what they want to sell you, but that's not us. That's not how we roll. We pretty much keep all the tools and software in stock, so we can talk confidently about each individual tool and whether or not it might be right for you. So let's look at the Autotuner. Lovely tool, tough case, very fast to use. So the Autotuner came out around 2017, new kid on the block. The application list was pretty good when it was launched, but it's only got better and better. It's a very fast, reliable tool to use. So it's when you're connecting to a vehicle, when you're tuning, you want to be connected to a vehicle for as short a time as possible, and the Autotuner is particularly good for that. The application list has grown an awful lot, so covering not just European vehicles, but more and more vehicles, a wider spectrum. The other nice thing, of course, about the Autotuner, it does not have a yearly subscription, which makes it very attractive for people that are trying to keep their running costs down. So we really like the Autotuner. It's a nice tool to use, well supported by the tool manufacturer, and it's one of those kind of tools you must have in your tuning box of goodies, if you like, when you're going out into business.